Good evening. My name is Darren Wayne. Hopefully I'm at the Wild Goose with Dave Hampton. Dave, how you doing? Hope you and your family are doing well. So I got some tunes tonight. And I'm going to play it for you. Hope you like them. What do you think, folks? Looks like Bad Hair Day to me. I'm looking for gigs. You can reach me on that worldwide internet, DarrenWayne.com. Woo. Woo. It's hot out there. I think it did something to my mentality. I'm afraid it's going to get hotter. I know fear. She's a friend of mine. And we hang out every day and night. A long time ago, she got a hold of me, and she won't let go, Miss Fear. And well, we've been friends for a while. We've been friends for a while. We've been friends for a while. Fear. I know pain. Why, it's my middle name. And it was given to me the day I was born. 'Cause I've never known a kind of life without a tortured soul. Pain is my middle name. It's my middle name. My middle name is Pain. A long time ago, she got a hold of me, and she won't let go, Mrs. Fear. Dance with me. Will you dance with me? Dance with me. All right. Guess what? My lady Susan, shout out to her beauty, is putting a swimming pool in the backyard. Yeah. Bum, bum, bum. So the next songs, that first song was, I'm afraid it's going to get hotter. That's kind of trying to do a theme here. And the next couple songs are going to be on, there's ways to cool off, different ways to cool off. See if you can catch them. Since Gene has his theme night songs, I'm going to try to do my own little theme thing. That was theme thing. All right. This is on my Touch CD. Wait a sec. I'm doing it in the wrong order. Okay, let's do it this way. I'm looking for a rainy day. This is not on my Touch CD song. I'm tired of the sunny days they claim to say, and I'm gonna feel the rain upon my face as I'm alone. Well, I looking for a rainy day. I'm looking for a better way. I'm so tired of the same old every day, and I'm gonna let the wind blow through my hair as I dream on. Well, looking for a rainy day. I'm looking for a rainy day. I'm so tired of the same old bullshit every fucking day, and I'm gonna play the music that I feel inside my heart. In my heart, baby. Yes, I looking for a rainy day. Alright. Well, maybe you guys caught that subtle hint on how to cool things off on that last song. Kind of hard for some, but I understand. My music's kind of complicated. Let's see if you can catch that subtle in the window. Not in the window. In the window. And this song. Very proud of this song. I love this song. I love this place. See if you can figure out what I'm talking about. Alright, you don't have to. Chill. Just relax. Take it easy. Enjoy. Like I enjoyed watching David the Crew of the Bebop Art Pop, the beer company there in Talent. That was awesome. That was pretty awesome. This song's on my Touch It CD. I don't have those CDs anymore. They're all gone. Well, I'm no sight for sore eyes, but at least I look good in her eyes. And she wants me home. She wants to jump my bones. She heightens my expectations. She tells me her sexual frustrations on the phone, like feeding the dog a bone. And I know everything's gonna work out fine as long as you get me across the Jackson County line. Oh yeah. Well, we got Ashland, Medford, Shape Cove, and Eagle Point. Sitting down, drinking my beer by the road. Go, baby, I'm coming home. Oh yeah, 'cause it's my little piece of paradise, surrounded by mountains so tall. And I've never seen anything so beautiful. It's got a lot in common with wine. Oh, it just gets better with time. And my baby's waiting for me across the Jackson County line. Oh yeah. Got a nasty reputation, but she's sticking with me throughout the duration. She knows it's tough to be on the road, and I know everything's gonna work out fine as long as you get me across the Jackson County line. Oh yeah. Well, I'll be flying down to Siskiyou, heading into Jacksonville. I won't be late to the Applegate, 'cause baby, I can't wait. Oh yeah, because it's my little piece of paradise, surrounded by mountains so tall. And I've never seen anyone so beautiful, but I'm stuck out here on the road, the lonely, lonely road. And my baby's waiting for me across the Jackson County line. Oh yeah. that's it for me. I'll be swimming here shortly. This is definitely good weather to motivate you to write songs. As I tell you what, 111 degrees in Talent, Oregon. That's where I reside, is in Talent. I kind of hang out in Talent. But, yeah, there's a worldwide jukebox out there, and you can hear Darren Wayne on it if you like. Just apple me up, baby. Woo! Hope I'm not forgetting anything. Till next time.